Will you supersize your business, rain or shine? I'm going to do the bad luck thing and open the umbrella in the house. Oh no, don't do it. Here, Horne-Ellstrom here. Welcome to Supersize Your Business. And our idiom today is rain or shine. So my question for you today is, will you and have you decided and committed to supersizing and growing your business no matter what? Rain or shine is an idiom that's been around since it was first recorded in 1905. It, of course, still refers to weather, but not necessarily. It can refer to any uncertain time, but it's really our committing to and saying, no matter what happens, we're going to do the thing we said we're going to do. We're going to go all in. Harold Arlen and Johnny Mercer in 1946, they used it in a show called St. Louis Women, and so that made it even more popular. So it's been around all of the 1900s into the 2000s, because I know people still say rain or shine. We're going to have this picnic, rain or shine. We're going camping, rain or shine. We're going to go on this trip. We're going to finish this project. We're going to do what we said we're going to do no matter what happens. It means that we have confidence, because we're focusing on confidence-related idioms for the month of August to coincide with the BU 365-day challenge, our annual challenge this year, to do one thing every day that improves us in some way, shape, or form. And we've structured that to coincide with the challenge, as well as a life framework, a 9-part life framework, where we're focusing on confidence this month. So no matter the weather, we're going to make sure something happens. No matter what happens, this project is going to be completed on time. We're going to do what we say we're going to do. We're going to under promise and over deliver. It's one of my personal pet peeves, is do what you say you're going to do. You know, if you're not going to do it, just don't say anything. So rain or shine, love to know your experience with this particular idiom and expression. I'm sure I have literally used this hundreds of times in my life, if not thousands, because I've got some decades on me now, and if we use it a few times a year, pretty soon they add up. Share in the comments below your experience with this. Have you used it? Have you heard it? And how have you used it with respect to your business, so we can learn from one another? Have an awesome day, and I will be with you tomorrow with another confidence-rated idiom. Have an awesome day. I hope it's sunny in your neck of the woods. Bye.